You're watching I Love I. My name is Nate.
I'm Trinell.
I'm Cassidy.
And today we're in Panorama and we're checking out Angry Chicks.
Yeah, these chicks are pretty angry.
Angry. How angry are they?
Pretty angry.
Yeah?
So we heard they have some pretty good chicken in Nashville hot, so we want to go check it out.
Let's go.
Let's go.
What up? So we're here in Panorama and we're at
Panorama?
Yeah, this is Panorama.
Ah, man, it's been nice, dog.
So we're in Panorama and we're checking out Angry Chicks. They used to be Angry Birds, right?
Like the game. But they have another location in North Hollywood. I've been driving by this place for a while before it even opened up. So we figured we'd stop by, stay local. Easy to get to. There's not a ton of parking, so you got to be prepared when you come.
and this plaza actually has like 3 good spots to, well, 4 good spots.
We've actually been here a couple times.
Right? That Corner Bakery, right, or Corner Burger.
And then you got, what's the other one over here?
And then this Chinese bakery right here. So.
But the grill, what's this, the grill?
Corner Grill.
Oh, it is called Corner Grill, there you go.
So.
And they have some bomb food, but.
If you guys want to know what kind of food they have, check out that video right there.
We did that already?
Yeah.
Nah, I'm just playing. I was late, I remember it was with PK.
Right?
Now we're just waiting for Trinell. But we actually all got here on time today, so it's all good.
Didn't you do that video?
I did.
Yeah,
I said I got that late. So yeah, man, you got a medium.
Yeah, we got the medium.
So perfect
they got
heat.
6 different spice levels. So.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So the last one you got to sign a waiver for. We're not trying to die today, so I'm not trying to do that. But I'm gonna try without the honey. They give you everything on the side. You got the honey. You got the secret sauce, which is like really mayo based right here. See that? But I'm just gonna try it without it actually. I just want to see what it tastes like.
And just to let you guys know, they do fry it in peanut oil. So if you guys are allergic,
his daughter's allergic now,
yeah.
So now he cares about this.
She's allergic to peanuts. I just found out.
All right, I'm gonna try it. Medium's like the perfect level of heat. So it's starting to get hot. But the skin's crunchy. I don't know, I think it's good. I probably would add some pickles in it, kind of cut the heat a little bit. And I think it does have pickles, but I'll probably add a little bit more. But
it's nice and tender.
Oh, I got the honey right here. What I'm gonna do, I wanna try this honey on. Ooh, boy.
Oh. With the honey. With the honey is fire. So I think this is one of the only Nashville chicken spots I've seen that they actually have honey in containers so that you can take it with you.
I think we did it at oh my god, what the hell's the name of the spot? Where they had to fight? Bangin' Buns, didn't they have honey? Oh. Well, if you check out this video.
I wasn't there.
It was pretty good. Now they have their own spot, but yeah, so if you got the honey to it, it's fire.
This is so good. I actually like it.
I'm gonna try it with the sauce.
And the heat is perfect because it's not overbearing, but it gives you enough to like make you feel like you want to sweat.
Man, right there, you see that? Mm-hmm.
I give it a thumbs up.
The secret sauce is like, it has a lot of mayo in it, so it's cool, but I think with the honey, straight fire.
Yeah, their mayo sauce is like whatever, but that honey.
That's the trick, and especially if you get something hot. Like, I couldn't imagine going to the hot because it says feel the burn, but if you did, the honey definitely comes into play and will help you out.
I'm kind of sweating already. And that was
rub your eyes, bro. All right, so we also got a platter over here.
Oh, so they serve their tenders with rice too.
And Sunny, I know you're not here today, but you would love it since you're the rice police.
This is the party starter.
So this isn't just your regular rice right here.
It's buttery rice.
It's buttery.
buttery.
Buttery. So buttery, I'm gonna try it by itself and see how buttery it is. It is buttery. It is buttery.
Good buttery rice.
It's looks like it's basmati rice or like jasmine long grain. I like it. I think I could eat the rice.
So you gotta eat like a Filipino spoon and fork.
I learned. I still can't cut with the knife though. But
Nah, you cut with a spoon. That's what you do.
shit.
That's good. I really like the fact that they serve this with rice.
Oh, do you?
Absolutely love it.
All right, that's what I'm gonna do though.
Ooh, with some honey.
Come on, man. Come on. All I'm missing is a waffle.
You got sweet, spicy. Yes. Buttery. Yeah. What more do you need?
Fuck yeah.
They also give you half of the plate with coleslaw too and pickles.
That's a pretty hefty plate, not gonna lie. Some pretty big tenders, you know what I mean? But I would for sure go with the sliders. I know Nate loves rice, so he can't really do it without rice, you know?
If you're hungry, go with the rice platter.
Yeah, it's a lot of food. And then you can just get some buns at home if you want and make your own, but you got the extra rice and coleslaw and everything, so.
But make sure you put the honey, because that honey is fire. With this chicken.
Yep, but now we're gonna wrap it up, because I know Tim's hungry. He's giving us that look, you know what I mean? But
let us know if you've been here. Tell us what you think in the comments below.
yep.
Also, if you guys have any other cool spots you want us to check out, make sure you put it down on the comments so that way we can check it out. Do us a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification.
So you get notified when we put out videos just like this.
Share this with your family and friends, because why?
Because they're gonna love it.
And we'll catch you in the next video.
Peace.